I'm going to make a prediction. And my prediction is that if you are chasing the money every day, you're tired, you're frustrated, you're burned out, and you're probably ready to just quit this whole thing. Now, that said, I want you to stay tuned and listen to why I can say that. I've been doing entrepreneurial work since the early 1970s. Now, that said, I had a corporate job. I was in the military for quite a long time. And when I got out, I went to corporate America and had a great career, but always on the side until I finally retired and went full time on in the entrepreneurial world. I was doing things. I was always involved with a network marketing company on the side. I was always learning and growing my skills and my tools and what I could do to make the business work. And you've heard me talk about, mindset, skill set, and tool set. I was always working on those things. Not mindset, not as much as I should. But here was the challenge. I was always chasing the money. As much as I love helping people and everything else, I was chasing the money all the time. And when the money didn't come in the way that I thought it should, I got frustrated. I tried harder. I got burned out. It became a rat race. It was no different than me being in corporate America again. I was working long hours. I was doing anything and everything I could to grow my bottom line and my ROIs and my IREs and PROs and all of it. It was very frustrating, very time consuming. And more than anything, it was so hurtful to who I was and to my spirit and to my soul and what I wanted to do and what I wanted to accomplish in life. Now, you may or may not be in that position. You may or may not be struggling. You may have a great business and your lifestyle is great. And there are people out there that do. I was just watching a young lady and she was talking about how she was on her honeymoon in Europe and she made 67,000. She's made multiple 8 figures and everything. And I've known her for a long time when she wasn't doing that. And I'm so proud of her. She's doing a great job. And she talked about, one of the reasons she does it is so that she has the money and the time and the freedom that she needs to share this with other people and so forth. One of the things that she said that really got my attention was she said, and I hate all of those super hyped up, mega success kind of things that people go out there. Look at me. I've made this much. I've done. And that really hit home with me because I see that all the time. And it's always kind of been a pet peeve of mine. People chasing the money. How are they getting your attention? How are they grabbing you with their hook? Their hook is always about making more money, making more money. Now, don't get me wrong. Making money, there's nothing wrong with making money. But I promise you, if you're chasing money, that elusive dream of making all this money instead of what I believe is the right thing, you're going to be frustrated. You're going to get burned out. You're going to be tired and thinking that, is this really worth it? Right? Now, what do we do? What should we chase? Well, I'm not sure that we should chase anything, but what path, what road, who is it? Robert Frost, the road less traveled, should we go down? And I believe that road is the road or the chase or the race to how many people we can serve and help. The rest will come in. I love, Zig Ziglar, one of his famous quotes is, you can have anything and everything in life that you want if you just help enough other people get what they want. He doesn't say you can have everything you want if you chase money and make more money and money. I think that's why money's got such a bad connotation because there are people out there that are chasing the almighty dollar so much that they set everything else aside. They'll reduce their integrity, they'll reduce their morals, their honor, their loyalties, and all of these things just to chase the dollar, just to chase money, just to chase that lifestyle that we have to have. Now, I'm going to be 74 this year, and do I have an exotic lifestyle? No. Do I want one? No. I've got a car that's paid for that I got really from my dad when he passed away. I was able to get this car that I love that is just a nice, beautiful, white Lincoln Continental, Lincoln Town Car, and that's my car. I paid cash for it. It's what I want. I don't have a big brand new Lincoln Navigator or an Escalade or a Maserati or a Tesla or anything else. I wouldn't mind having a Tesla, but all of those things. We've got all of our cars are paid for. We live a modest life, and that's perfectly fine because it's for us, for me, especially my business. It's all about who can I help? Who can I take to that next level? Who can I change their life? Not only their life, but their mindset and what they think and how they're going to get there. So you're not going to hear me on this channel talk about hype. I know I'm working a business right now that allows people to it's an affiliate business. You kind of will hear people say, well, it's not an affiliate. It's not no network marketing or anything like that. And the reality is, it is. It's not network marketing, but it certainly is an affiliate program. But the good news on the affiliate program is they pay really high commissions, like 100%, right? But it's still an affiliate program. You are promoting somebody else's stuff. I've had people reach out to me and say, oh, how can you promote someone else's stuff? It was like, what do you make that's yours? Now, I do have a lot of products that are my own courses and things like that. And, that's not the issue. Anybody that's ever been in network marketing knows that you're just the broker or the end man, the retailer for somebody else's products. Everybody, very few people. Do you think Amazon makes all their own products? No, they don't. They get other people's products and they broker them and they sell them and they distribute them and so forth. Well, that's all you're doing here. The difference is that in this one, you get 100% of the profit. So you're not working for 5, 10, 15, or 20% or less, working your butt off to get a little bit. You work hard and you get what you want. Now, if you're interested in something like that, reach out to me, or you can just go to rondeering.com/blueprint and check it out. You can start off as little as $150 and have your own business making $100. I'm going to set it all up for you for no extra cost. There's a lot of people out there that are doing it, but then they got to pay someone to set it up. I do all of that myself because of my technical background and everything. You'll get everything. So rondeering.com/blueprint. But I want you, and I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to emphasize the fact that it's not about you making the money. It's about you helping others do what they need to do. I can't tell you, since I've started this, well over 100, maybe 200 people that I've worked with, that I've set up, that I've mentored and coached and helped, that are at least moving forward on the technology, having successes, and getting further along than they were before. That's my goal. And that's not enough. That's not enough. I want to take you from the beginning to your first sale. Because once you do that, then you've got it. You got an idea. Okay, this is what it takes to get that sale. Now I can just expand it. Now I can just scale it, do more. Just do more. Right? But do it for the right reason, not to chase the money. I promise you, some of you, if you were making an extra $1,000 a month, would change your life. You don't need to make $1 million. Nothing wrong with it. But you don't need to. Help enough people so that you can make your $1,000, but help enough other people make their $1,000. So if this doesn't resonate with you, don't follow me. Don't watch my videos. Don't hang out with me. But if you're in that same position where you're frustrated, you're tired, you're chasing a dollar and everything else, and you just want to have some success, some small success to supplement your income so that the stress is gone, I'm going to just teach you how to do that. And I'm going to teach you how to do it by helping others. Okay? So, God bless you. rondeering.com/blueprint. I hope to see you there. Have an amazing day. We're almost at Memorial Day next Monday. It's Wednesday here, so we got about 5 days left or so. One of my favorite holidays here in the United States. Come from a family of veterans, and I love Memorial Day. So thank a veteran on Memorial Day. I know Memorial Day is for those that have given their lives for it. But everybody gave something, right? So God bless you. See you on the next one.